everybody. It's their first day of school. Just kidding. What day is it? Day 5?
5.
Number 5? What are we doing today?
I don't know. Well, tell me, because I don't know what we're doing today.
I don't either. I just want to go back to sleep.
My back hurts.
Alright. We're going to take this wall down. And from these shelves over down. Get rid of this little goofy closet to open up our bathroom a little more. Make our room feel a little bigger. And then try to take this tub out as well. This wall needs to come down too. So yeah. You ready?
Yep. Let's do it.
Hey babe.
Yeah?
Smile.
Oh, I don't know if I want to.
Just got done with day 5 and we got quite a bit done. So we'll do a walkthrough before we leave because we're exhausted and I got hit in the face with a piece of wood.
Dirt
So
on my nose.
yeah, pretty great. Got this wall out for the most part.
Fireplace.
Found a fireplace section of bricks, so that was kind of neat. Melissa knocked out all this tile, cleaned out the wall, got all the studs cleaned out. Looks pretty good. And then we got most of the tub out so we can move this over to have a bigger walk-in shower. And then got this wall out so the entrance to our bathroom can be a lot bigger. Fit a nice big vanity right here. So that'll be the door over there. Yeah, coming along. Now it's just getting out this stupid front tile. Then we'll be done with the demo. Say goodnight.
Night.